Welcome to the HealthPoint Plus portal demo. In this quick video overview, we will walk you through how to request a visit as a patient, how care coordination hands the patient off to our providers, and how our providers complete the visit. First, we will review the simple patient intake process. To get started, let's walk through the patient dashboard. As a patient, I can access my HealthPoint Plus account from the mobile responsive website as well as the Apple and Android app. After logging in, I'm taken to the dashboard. From here, we can request a visit, learn more about the services available, view my account, update my medical history, review upcoming appointments, and review past visits. I can also translate the entire patient portal to Spanish if needed. Let's request an urgent care visit. Starting from the patient's dashboard, the patient will first select who needs care today and the type of visit needed. Next, the patient will select the reason for the visit, share any additional information about their symptoms, and confirm their contact information. The patient will select the state they are physically located in and agree to HealthPoint Plus's informed consent. The patient can request to have a phone or video visit depending on the state they are located in, as some states require the use of video for telemedicine. Next, the patient can select or find a pharmacy through our simple search feature. Afterwards, the patient will be asked to list any allergies, any medications they are currently taking, or if they have any photos or files to upload that would aid the provider during the visit. The patient can then review their request. Lastly, the patient will see the confirmation screen. From here, they can test their webcam and wait for the provider to start the session. Our typical wait time is less than 8 minutes. At this point, the patient will drop into our virtual waiting room. This is monitored by our care coordination team 24/7, 365 days per year. This concludes our HealthPoint Plus portal demo video. Thank you for taking the time to watch.